students, as you know, exams are approaching. So I am here with SST का chapter wise weightage distribution. So let's start with history. So you have your first chapter, rise of nationalism in Europe, which will be containing of 1 mark जो MCQ आएगा and one of long marks 5 marks long answer रहेगा 5 marks के लिए of again one question which will be total of 6 marks total रहेगा इस chapter का. And we have the next one, nationalism in India. Coming to that, यहाँ पे भी the same way one question for 1 mark MCQ and the next one will be short answers second section, that is 3 marks का रहेगा. Again one question from here and make a note of it, 2 marks यहाँ पे map pointing के लिए रहेगा. So this 1 1 1 all together 5 marks का weightage ये carry करेगा. Again one more important chapter है ये. And next we have the making of global world. And again यहाँ पे MCQ रहेगा 2 questions of 1 mark each. And next we have short answers first section, that is 2 marks का question, 1 question from here. Right? So all together 4 marks का weightage ये chapter carry करता है. And last you have print culture and the modern world. यहाँ से 3 questions आएगा for 1 mark and 1 question from 2 marks, that is short answers first section, and all together ये carry करेगा 5 marks का weightage. So your 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 all together your weightage is 20. So this was all about your history's weightage distribution. So in the next video I'll be with civics, so stay tuned. I'll be talking about civics. So coming to your chapters, your first chapter will be power sharing, right? And it carries 2 questions of 1 mark, that is MCQ. And coming to the same one, case based study भी इसमें से आएगा 1 question, बहुत important है, 6 marks का weightage है, बहुत important chapter है, you need to study hard. Next is federalism, right? It also carries 1 question of MCQ and 1 question of short answers section 1, that is weightage होगा उसका 3, that is 2 plus 1. And next is gender, religion and caste, your third chapter. उसमें से भी एक question आएगा for MCQ. Next is your short answer section 1 का, again the same weightage goes for this also, that is 3 marks. Next is your political parties and इसमें आएगा long answer completely for 5 marks, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. And your weightage is directly 5 marks. Another important chapter. And your last chapter is outcomes of democracy. And इसमें से तुमको आएगा short answer आएगा, that is section 2 के लिए, that is for 3 marks. And the total weightage is 3 marks for this chapter also. और ये सब add करने के बाद at the end you will get a weightage of 20 marks. This was all about civics. And now next we have about geography. So here are our chapters. These are the first one is resource and development. Next one we have forest and wildlife resources. Next we have water resources. 4th chapter is your agriculture. 5th is your minerals and energy resources. 6th one is your manufacturing industries. And last one is your lifelines of national economy. And seeing about your weightages, your first chapter contains a weightage of 1 mark and the question will be of MCQ. The total weightage only 1 mark. And second one also carries the same weightage of 1 marks and the same question जो आएगा MCQ में. And the next one is a little bit important, carries a high weightage of 5 marks because इसमें आएगा 4 marks का एक case based study और साथ में एक map भी, which will be coming for 1 mark. So this 4 plus 1 makes your weightage 5. And next is your agriculture. इसमें भी कोई नहीं, one question for 1 mark MCQ and directly your complete weightage of this chapter is 1 mark. Next comes your minerals and energy resources जो आएगा 2 marks का एक question, that is from short answer section 1. And next again map, again one more important one, map आएगा 1 mark के लिए और जो 1 plus 2 makes your weightage 3. Coming to your next is your manufacturing industries. Now इसमें भी एक 5 marks का मेन क्वेश्चन आएगा and carrying one extra map वाला question 1 mark के लिए your 1 plus 5 6 marks का weightage carries your second last chapter, that is manufacturing industries. Now coming to your last chapter, that is lifelines of national economy. यहाँ पे आएगा तुमको 3 marks के लिए, that is the short answers का section 2, 1 question and a total weightage of 3. Again your total weightage is 20 for your subject of geography or economics. So coming to your chapters, your first one will be development, जिसमें 2 question आएगा for 1 mark MCQ का, right? The total और कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, no math, no concept based anything, only for. So your second chapter is the sectors of the Indian economy, जहाँ पे again ये 2 questions आएगा for 1 mark MCQ वाला, and yes in this 2 marks का एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, that is short answers section 1 and again short answers section 2 का 3 marks का 1 question, and your total weightage is the highest one, 7 marks for this second chapter, star mark कर लेना है. Now the third one comes money and credits, जिसमें 1 question for MCQ, a simple one, and 1 comes for a complete long answers, जो 5 marks का weightage carry करेगा this question, and the total weightage is 6 marks. Right? Now coming to your last chapter, that is globalization and Indian economy, जहाँ पे तुमको 1 mark MCQ का 2 question आएगा, and same way here short answers second section में 3 marks का 1 question, that is altogether a 5 marks weightage, high weightage के 3 chapters, right? And your altogether weightage is again 20 marks for economics as well. So this was all about SST for class 10 Cbse. Thank you guys.